Guys, today we have another very interesting video, okay? And we will be turning audio into animation, all right? And basically I will be using the same invitation that I use when I turn the text into animation, okay? But these are very similar because I do have to get text to change into the audio, then I need to animate that, okay? So I actually have a co-host today. Where is my co-host? Oh, there you are. Okay, so I actually have a co-host, and you want to tell him something? Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and today we will be using some cool AI tools to create an animated character just like me. So guys, in the comment below, let me know which character you like best. Please like and subscribe to my channel. It takes a lot to create this video, okay? And without further ado, let us get started. Okay guys, so I have inputted simple instructions into ChatGPT, asking it to create a birthday invitation, right, with the below information. And this is the information I provided for ChatGPT to create the invitation. And this is what ChatGPT provided for me. So what I will do is simply copy this information. So now I will go over to 11 Labs to create the voiceover. So this is basically the pricing of 11 Labs. So if you want to use your content or you want to sell whatever you create, right, you will have to use, basically you'll have to get a plan, right? And then you'll get the commercial license that's included in any one of these plans. But you know, for instructional videos like this, I can easily use 11 Labs. So let me sign in. Okay, so now that I'm inside 11 Labs, I will go to Voice Lab, and I will simply click on Add Generative or Cloned Voice. Okay, so voice design, instant voice cloning, voice library, etc. But let us go into the voice library and see what we have. So in the voice library, we do have a ton of different voices that we can use here, right? We have the gender. I prefer female for this, and the age, I prefer young. We have young, old, middle-aged. Accent, let's stick to the American accent if we want. They also have trending, so we can use trending. And category, we have professional, but I don't want professional voicing, okay? And we also have sample here.
There is no failure except in no longer trying.
Everyone thinks of changing the world, but no one thinks of changing himself.
The world is round, and the place which may seem like the end. Failure doesn't mean you are a failure, it just means you haven't succeeded yet.
Okay, so these are the sample voices that you can use, okay?
Failure doesn't mean you are a failure, it just means you haven't succeeded yet.
So I like this voice, so I will add this to Voice Lab, okay? So let me just put a note to myself. So I will now go back to Voice Lab, and I have the voice that I've just added. So let us go into use. Okay, so what I will do, so we have the different options in the setting here that I will not play around with right now. So you can, you know, make a lot of settings, the clarity, you can have a high pitch, low, etc. Okay, but the voice here is perfect. So the voice here for me, I think it's perfect, so I will use that voice. But we can also, you know, state how we want it.
Logic will get you from A to B.
What worries you masters you.
Before you put on a frown,
Life without love is like a tree without blossoms or fruit.
Okay, so I will stick with what I have just for this example, and I will just basically paste the text in here, and of course make some cleanups. Okay, so I will remove the warm wishes here. Okay, so now that everything is fine, I will just click on generate. Okay, so basically you can, if this is fine, you can download from here by clicking the download button, or you can also go into history. So history will show you everything that is created. So I can click on this because I prefer a woman voice, a young girl voice. So I'll click on that and then select download. Okay guys, so now in order to continue to animate our project, we have jumped into Adobe Express. So Adobe Express will allow you to animate from audio. Okay, so we already have our text and everything, so let us click on animate from audio. And Adobe Express is very good, guys. It's a pretty good competitor to Canva. So you click on that, and this is free. So this was what I was working on here, but let me just go through everything. You can choose a character here from any one of these. You have humans, you have stars, you have all sort of pretty characters that's, you know, different and unique. In this case, I really like this little girl here, so I can use her. It's a working character. This is another character, and you can zoom in or zoom out, you know, so you can, you know, to see how big or small this character is. So I will use Chloe. She's not bad. I will use her for this example. And we also have Sam. Sam is very, I will choose Sam. I prefer Sam. Right? So we can use Sam for this. And we have the size, so we want this for landscape. Okay, so we'll continue with landscape. If you want anything else, you can make changes here. And of course, we have the character. Okay, so guys, as of recording this, we are not able to upload our own character as yet. So let us go to background. We, however, can upload an image if we like. So we have several backgrounds, but I prefer to use just a transparent background. Or we can use a green screen for this character. Okay, so let us use a green screen over character here, and we can browse. You can record our own voice, or we can browse to upload our voice audio from 11 Labs. So let us allow this to process. Okay, so this is done.
You're invited to Ashley's 8th birthday.
So this is fine. All right. We will open this in editor. So now our file is ready. We can download from here. So we can download in 1080 or 4K. It doesn't matter. So I'll just do a 1080 since this is a demonstration video. So I will download this file. Okay, so now we're in Canva. I will go to templates and then go to video. And under video, we will choose video messages. Okay, so we'll create that from scratch. So since it is an birthday invite we will be creating, let us go to the app and do a text-to-speech, a text image picture. Okay, so the instruction here is we'll put in the instruction that we'd like to have here. Okay, so this is what we got from Canva, right? We can choose, I like this one. Okay, it is lovely. I also like this one. So we can work with this one. Yeah, we can work with this one, but let us create something again. This is okay. Not as pretty, but I think we can actually work with this one as well. Okay, but I prefer the, let's do vibrant. Hey guys, please subscribe to our channel. Okay guys, so I made 3 go at this, and to be honest, I prefer this one, so I will just work with this one. Okay, from here we'll go back to elements and look for animated balloons. Hey guys, please subscribe to our channel. Okay, so we have these will work lovely, right? So these are lovely, right? Okay, so I really like this number 8. So since it is not animated, what I will do is animate it. Okay, and let us look for a birthday cake. Hey guys, please subscribe to our channel. Okay, so I am looking, so I've also looked for a picnic table to place the cake on. So this will have to be positioned forward, and it goes like this. All right. Can we look for party food? Okay, so we have some items here we can place on the table. We have some cinnamon buns and etc. Okay, so let us reduce this. All right, since it is a cinnamon bun, let us reduce the cinnamon bun, and we can probably put something else here. These are not too edible. Can we search for anything else? Okay, so even though this is not moving, it's not animated, we can actually put this here, and we can actually put other items here. So everything, we don't have to only insert animated items. Okay, right, so this is looking like a party. You can click on number 8 and then click on animate at the top here, and now we go to create animation. So in order to create animation, you'll have to hold shift down, right, and drag to animate, right? So I am just doing something, pretty quirky here, and this is it. Okay, so this is my animation. I click done and it is animated. Let us give a look at it. Right, so this is done. So what we can do is click on share and download our animation. Okay guys, so we will go over to our editing software, and yes, I'm actually working on this video, so I will upload all our elements that we have created. Okay, so we will pull our animated videos over here, remove this one. Let us pull in this one first, and then we will pull this one over it. Right, so what we'll do now is remove that green screen. Okay, so in order to remove that screen, you'll have to double click on the file. So you click on that, the AI tools, and you click on chroma key. So the chroma key basically will allow you to remove that green screen where you can actually see your character. Okay, so now we have our character here, right, and we can make her a little bigger over here. So this is one thing that Canva cannot do properly as yet. Okay, so we can make a character a little larger, right? So this is our little character here, and of course we need to create more scenes here, so we can click and drag this out. Okay, so it's not allowing us to drag, so you can simply input it again and put it in again and again until you fill up the audio space. Okay, now that we have that, let us go into audio and search a birthday song. Okay, we want a free one because I'm not paying extra. Okay, so I really like this one. Let's put it in here. So what we will do is click on this, delete this, and I like to fade out audio. So let us go in here and select on adjust audio, and we will fade this out. So we will fade out audio. Right, so I think we have everything pretty much created here.
You're invited to Ashley's 8th birthday party. Join us in...
Okay, so what I will do, I will make some changes to the audio here. Okay, so let me just go back and make changes quickly. Hey guys, please subscribe to our channel. Okay, and this is it. Okay guys, so let us preview. Oh, I forgot to mention what I did here. Okay guys, so let us turn the music down a bit, right, and just have this a nice mellow background music. And I like to turn up the volume here just by dragging this and turn it up. That is the audio, and we can preview now.
You're invited to Ashley's 8th birthday party. Join us in celebrating a special day as our little girl Ashley turns 8. The party will be on September 26th, 2023. The party starts at 2 p.m. It will be held in our home in Greenville Heights. We've got an exciting day planned with games, activities, and of course, a delicious birthday cake. Your presence will make this day even more memorable for Ashley. Please make sure to RSVP by September 12th, 2023, so we can prepare everything for the perfect party. We can't wait to see you there and share this joyful occasion together. Don't miss out on the fun, save the date, and come celebrate with us.
Okay guys, and there you have it. Okay guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a like and subscribe. All right, and I try to keep the videos very interesting and short, right? But oh, you want to say something? Thank you for watching. So guys, I don't need to say anything, right? So if you want to see more videos, the text to animation that I mentioned earlier, you can look at it right here.